नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज जेवीएन प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर अनिल कुमार वंगानी, एचओडी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ रिपर्टरी। ये जो लेक्चर्स है हम आपको इस डिजिटल लॉकडाउन के अंतर्गत प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं, जो कि यूनिवर्सिटी के प्लेटफॉर्म 2.0 पे अवेलेबल हैं और यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके आप you can hear these lectures just by subscribing this YouTube channel. And today's lecture is on another series of this modern repertory, that is Repertorium Universale Part 2nd. We know, first of all, amongst the modern repertories, synthetic repertory was available, made available by Barthel and Klenker in the year 1982. Then synthesis repertory in the book form was made available by Frederick Schrenz in the year 1985. Then the complete repertory by Roger von Zenwoot was made available in the year 1996. And after that, Repertorium Universale was published. This is the largest repertory, as the name predicts, universal. The previous one was only complete, but this is universal. So it must be larger than the previous one. It integrates, as I have told you, both the modes of treatment, that is Kent's and Bonigason's. It contains nearly 1.5 million remedy additions in over 1,80,000 rubrics. Now, what is the hierarchy used in the Repertorium Universale? First of all, there is section, then first level, second level, and third level of hierarchy, like primary location, then alternating sites, then second level alternating sites, thereafter the time modalities, then the extensions, then the locations, and then the phenomena. These phenomena are nothing but the sensations. In the phenomena again, there is site, time, modality, extension, and location, and phenomena. So this is how the hierarchy is given in Repertorium Universale. Along with the structural changes to the repertory, the grading system in the Repertorium Universale is completely revised. It is changed from Kantian based classification to one based on Boniasen criteria. So the grades are first, second, third, and fourth in the remedies. And according to Boniasen, Repertorium Universale complete repertory 2001 to 2003, Vogel Boniasen repertory, and therapeutic pocket book. So the first degree remedies, one as per Boniasen, which is found in provings or sourced directly from clinical experience, टॉक्सिकोलॉजी और हर्बल यूज. मतलब प्रूविंग्स में भी आपको फ्रिक्वेंटली मिल रही है और क्लिनिकल एक्सपीरियंस में भी आप इसको प्रूव कर चुके, देख चुके, वेरीफाई कर चुके, तब आपने फर्स्ट डिग्री दिया है. The second degree is given to the remedies which are found in two or more provers, not necessarily verified clinically. तो जो दो से ज्यादा प्रूवर्स में आई लेकिन क्लिनिकली वेरीफाई ना भी हो सकी, उसको सेकंड ग्रेड बोला गया. Third degree, which was found in proving, but also clinically verified. प्रूविंग में भी एक आध केस में मिल गई और साथ ही क्लिनिकली वेरीफाई भी हुई. And the fourth degree, here we are going from less marks to the more intense medicines. So fourth degree means the first grade. The fourth degree or the first grade was found in provings and often clinically verified. Often. So this was the Bonigason's way of grading the medicines. The fourth degree or the first grade was, which was frequently found in various provings as well as clinically verified in very often way. Whereas in the third degree or the second grade is one which was found in provings as well as clinically verified. The second degree or the third grade is one which is found in two or more provers, but not necessarily clinically verified, whereas the first degree or the fourth grade is found in provings and not clinically verified. It is sourced from toxicological sources. So Pierre Schmidt, fourth degree, introduced in Barthel and Clunker synthetic repertory, incorporated in the complete repertory, is broadly equivalent to the fourth degree of Bonigason grade system and is therefore no longer shown separately in Repertorium Universale. In the Repertorium Universale, it's now possible to use all methods within one repertory, even to intermingle them in the one, if the one case is uh, even to intermingle them in the one case if appropriate, or to use generalized Bonigason style rubrics to approach cases from thematic angle. This effectively frees you to individualize the method to the case as precisely as you would expect to individualize the remedy, drawing a fully updated database of the remedy. तो देखिए बोनेगासन, डॉक्टर बोनेगासन ने जनरल्स के ऊपर बहुत अच्छा काम किया और जनरलाइज्ड रूब्रिक्स में, ब्रॉड रूब्रिक्स में बहुत सारी मेडिसिन दी हुई होती हैं, तो वो एक तरह से एक थीम कवर कर रही होती हैं. तो बोनिगासन की थीमेटिक अप्रोच को लेते हुए जब आप कैंट की जो है प्रिसाइज अप्रोच को साथ में कंबाइन कर लेंगे, यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट अ ब्रिलियंट रिजल्ट. So gradation of remedies, first grade is given as bold uppercase underlined, whereas the second grade as only the uppercase, and the third grade as bold italics, whereas the fourth grade is given as simple Roman. Sources mainly based on first, second, and sixth edition of Kant's repertory. To this, added and corrected mainly from the following books: Homeopathic Journals, Schmidt and Chance, Final General Repertory, Pujli's Repertorium General, Shivaraman's addition to Kent Repertory, CCRH, Dr. Rastogi's correction to Boger Bonigason Repertory, then Borik's Materia Medica and Repertory. From here, the data is added over first, second, and sixth edition of Kent's Repertory. And another book from which the data is added is Bonigason's Repertory and Bonigason's unique private editions also. Author ID is mentioned in numbers, that is numericals, as superscript after the remedy. The philosophical background, the repertory works from general to particular. So on the Kant's philosophy, on the Kant's data from first edition, second edition, and sixth edition, there's added different Boger Bonigason's work in various forms. So this repertory's application is very universal and very broad, which we can understand, and therefore It is known as Repertorium Universale. So it's a mixture. It's a unique combination of Kant's work and Boningason's work. You can see the grading of medicines, the evaluation of medicine is taken from Boningason method, whereas the basic data is from Kant's repertory. The philosophy followed from general to particular is of the Kant's repertory, but evaluation is of Boningason. So it's a beautiful combination to give it not only complete but a universal form to cover all the cases in a very precise manner with very precise results following Kantian philosophy. So this is all in Repertorium Universale. So now in the last, we have to give you an assignment based on this lecture. Now you have to answer that why this repertory is known as a universal repertory, that is Repertorium Universale. What two approaches it has added and what are the sources of this repertory. What two approaches it has added, what are the sources of this repertory, you have to tell. The approaches, sources, and the combination, the two combination which this repertory is having, you have to write about them in the question which is given as assignment. So you have to answer uh, within 30 minutes, and marks allotted to for this question is maximum 10 marks. So you please uh, do it uh, in time and submit it uh, as told as told to you on the official emails. So see you with a new lecture very soon. Until then, goodbye.